Welcome to part 79 of Daily English. Today's situation. School and work, talking about projects. I'm working on a new project. Example. I'm working on a new project with my team. Our project is going well. Example. Our project is going well so far. We're working as a team. Example. We're working as a team to finish the project. I have completed my part. Example. I have completed my part of the project. We're waiting for approval. Example. We're waiting for approval from the manager. The deadline is next week. Example. The deadline is next week, so we're working hard. We need to finish on time. Example. We need to finish on time to meet the deadline. The project was successful. Example. The project was successful because everyone worked together. Let's celebrate. Example. Let's celebrate after we finish the project. Mini conversation. Manager, how is the project going? Employee, our project is going well. We're working as a team. Manager, have you completed your part? Employee, yes. I have completed my part, and now we're waiting for approval. Manager, excellent. I hope the project is successful. Daily tip. Projects succeed when everyone communicates clearly and works together. Give regular updates, meet deadlines, support your teammates, and celebrate your achievements when the project is finished. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're working on a team project. Describe the project, explain your role, talk about the deadline, say what you've completed, mention what's left to do, and finish the story using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for Part 80. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.